K.A.Chari, TGT Mathematics from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bidar. I am working in the Samiti since the year 2007. I am very happy to be here in front of you with the new CCE project, which will be beneficial for the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti to prepare the overall progress card as per the new CCE norms. Let me take an opportunity to explain regarding this CCE project before you. In this CCE project, I included two Excel files. The first one here you can notice CCE formats 6th to 8th. This Excel file you can use from class 6th to class 8th. Whereas this one CCE formats class 9th to 10th, you can use it for class 9th and 10th. So what you can do, you can copy this one CCE formats 6th to 8th. You can paste in your system. Now you can rename this one as you wish. If it is class 6th, you can name it as class 6th, or if it is 8th, you can name it as 8th as you wish. Now just double click on this Excel file. Just wait, this will open. Now by default, if you are in home page, we are in somewhere, not in home page. Just using this scroll bar, this one, the arrow what I am showing you, cursor, this cursor, you just scroll down, you can get one arrow like this. Its name is home. If you click on this one, you will directly go to home page if you are not in home page. Right. Now let me click on home. By clicking on home, you can go to home page. Welcome to CCE 6th to 8th. So right now, if you carefully observe this home page, here you can notice this one, scholastic areas, name of the sheet and description may be there. Here I included different sheets by name list, controlling sheet, English for term 1, Hindi, Kannada, Maths, Science, Social for term 1, whereas the same subjects for term 2 also, like this, Maths, Science, Social, and after that grades in term 1 individually, thereafter separate grades in term 2, thereafter overall grades in each subject like English, Hindi, so on. These are the respective sheets. Here one more marks card also is there, that we will discuss it later. Thereafter, whereas coming to the second portion, core scholastic areas, here life skills, work experience, visual arts, performing arts, visual and performing arts, attitudes and values, and so on. So many sheets are here, and just at the end we have progress card. Just beside each and every sheet, one description I mentioned regarding the sheet. Right, one by one. Let me take this opportunity to explain this one. See here, first of all, let us go to the first one, name list. Directly all the sheets are linked with this home page. If you want to go to name list, you can click here so that it will take you to home page. Otherwise, name list. Otherwise, by clicking on this tab, name list, see, you can observe my cursor. I am taking to my cursor on to name list. I can go to name list. Otherwise, if I want to go to control sheet, I can go to control sheet. See here, in each and every Excel sheet, at the end, just scroll down, at the end, you can find one arrow by name home. If you click on this arrow, directly it will take you to the home page. So from home page, you can go to any Excel sheet, and from any one Excel sheet, directly you can come to the home page. Right now, one by one we will discuss here. Now first of all of you go to name list. Here, name of the student, and for our Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya purpose, I arranged alpha code also, administration number. See, for example, here you can type the name of the student. The same name list will be reflected throughout the proforma. Whereas alpha code also, if you put alpha code A, and alpha code, admission number, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, address, telephone number, height, weight, blood group, dental hygiene. These all information of the student we need to fill here in this name list. Before that, just to remember one very important point here. Here in this colored cell, you need to type the name of your own school. Here I just use Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bidar, Karnataka. The same name will be reflected throughout the CCE proforma everywhere, wherever it is necessary. Remember, please remember, we need to type the name of the school here only. And moreover, one more point, throughout the CCE software, the colored cells can be edited. Take care. Right, now student profile of class, which class they are? See here, if you select this class, here drop down menu you can choose. In my cursor, I just clicked on this down arrow so that I can take 60A or 60B or 70A, whatever it is. 70A. This 70A will be reflected throughout the sheets. Right, so in the name list, we have completed the name of the school. We selected the class and section. Thereafter, we feed the preliminary data of the particular section with the names and date of birth and all. Then, coming to the next sheet, control sheet. This control sheet directly you can from home page or directly you can click on this control sheet. Yes, this is the control sheet. Here, remember, in these blue color cells, you need to edit the term. See here, CC formative and summative test April, September, first term 2012-13. If it is not 12-13, you can edit as 13-14 or 14-15, whatever it may be. Thereafter here, the second CC formative summative October, second term, so on. So these two you need to fill here. Thereafter, each and every sheet it will be updated. Now here, if you carefully observe, weightage table was given here. In this one, formative assessment number 1, maximum marks assigned is 100, weightage is 10%. If at all, if you want, you can change this also. But I request you please not to change these things. Why? Because these things are as per the CBSE norms. Maximum marks, weightages, you can fix here. First of all, do just check whether these weightages are correct or not. The same weightages will be reflected throughout the CCE proforma, and the rest of the calculations will be based on these weightages only. For example, if you put here 20%, that means the weightage of formative assessment 1 is 20%. Throughout the sheets, in all the sheets, formative assessment 1 will be evaluated for 20% only. Right, in this second control sheet, what we did, we just assigned the maximum marks and the weightages of all the 4 formative tests and 2 summative tests. Right, then coming to the next sheet, English term 1. Here you can click this one and directly the English sheet will be updated. Just let me zoom down this one. Here, careful. This is the colored cell, roll number 1. If you put here 10, then 11, 12, the numbers will continue. You can edit this number. Thereafter here, pen and paper, 50 marks, conversation skills,